Tyler 16-bit here, back with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Forza Horizon 6 limited edition Xbox controller. Now, this is for the Xbox Series consoles, but it'll also work on Xbox One as well as PC. Got some warning information there on the bottom. And of course, you can already see what the controller will look like once it's unboxed. Looks really nice. Definitely like all the colors. You can see on the side here what it's compatible with. Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows, Android, and iOS. And it also includes 2 AA batteries. And of course there's a bunch of different information there. So let's see what's on the back here. Yeah, just another look at the controller itself. You can see what's on the back of the controller, saying Horizon Festival, and the different colored rubber grips. Yeah, festival ready, built for open roads, Xbox wireless and Bluetooth, and the share button. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. And there it is right there. Got the Xbox.com controller set up, which we know how to set up controllers. And yeah, this is it right here. Definitely looks very cool in person. Something to note though is that this is the first of the, I guess, the newer Xbox controllers that doesn't have the original headset chat thing there in the middle. As you can see, it's covered up with a rectangle, but it does still have the headset jack right there for wired headsets. And of course, the battery cover there. And that's where you would plug in like a charging cable. Yeah, definitely really like the look of it, especially with the translucent like aqua or teal blue there. And that's even on the bumpers and the triggers there too. So yeah, let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, just the quick start guide, I guess. And the batteries right there. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks or so, but I'm back now with this video, and see y'all next time. Take care.